Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. American bathroom.
Is this where we see where the glass is cracked?
We got foam.
You want foam, make sure to call Phil.
We got, yeah. I don't know how long I'll have foam, but
All the time with that. The time is free. You gotta pick it up.
supposed to be 600 pounds.
Do I say 100 pounds?
The guy that delivered had to deliver it with a pallet jack because he couldn't lift it. It's supposed to be 600 pounds. The glass in here.
Maybe we need Aaron Donald to lift it up.
These one of those have numbers on them.
794, 794. Yeah, I'd say
Right on. This is the same kit, maybe.
yeah, make sure to put all of it together.
They light and then
5 pence.
maybe.
That's 5 pence.
Let's go in there and stack all that
Is
stuff.
this like ceramic?
I don't know.
Feels like ceramic tile.
It's loose.
Are we supposed to apply like ceramic?
I don't know yet. I haven't read the instructions.
Well,
Let's take this stuff in and we'll read the instructions inside.
in the meantime, we will charge you.
We're gonna move stuff. Don't need to show you how to move stuff, I hope. So what I'm doing, I need to make an opening for this mechanical vent to be inside the wall. So it can, when the water goes through, the mechanical vent will let air pass and then back up. Now sometimes they would make plumbing where the vent would go straight through the roof and it would do that. But the mechanical vent allows that inside that flapper to happen whenever water goes through the drain. The air gets pushed, so it allows it to go up and then sucks it back down. So we're going to put that right there. I'm opening up a little piece of wall right here because I know that the faucet is going to be right here. So I'm going to put the faucet maybe right here, and then I'll have some flexible lines that go to the faucet and some shut-offs right here. And I need to get all this in the wall before we put the hardy board on this for this kit. And I also can get, that allows me to get the water lines out of the way so I can put this pre-made pan in place. So I'll move the water lines, come up this wall here, have the shut-offs, and have the ability to put in wood to support the faucet, which we don't have yet. And so that's what I'm doing now. It's marking out, this is where I'd get in through, drill a hole through the wall or through the floor. And this is where the faucet would be. This is where I drill the holes and put in the mechanical vent over here. And we'll show you that. So now, I guess I'll just take a razor knife since the keyhole saw is not here yet. We gotta get an 1.5-inch line drilled there. Even if you have to drill multiple holes, we gotta get an 1.5-inch line through there. And I'd say close to this drywall, because over here will be a 2x6, I believe.
Inch and a half.
Yes, got an 1.5-inch pipe. Gotta have a big enough hole to get the 1.5-inch pipe through.
So it's gonna get a 2-inch one.
You can, it's a little big, but yeah. A little tougher than it should be because there's paneling. It's thin paneling, but paneling underneath. Is that big enough?
This is 2 inches.
That is,
What are you asking?
this pipe. Okay. This is 1.5 inch.
Do I need to get 2.5 inch?
You need to get, so I said 1.5 pipe. Now, will that work? I don't know yet. It looks close.
No, the pipe's bigger than that. So I get 2.
No, it isn't. Why are you doing that? You contradict what I say. It's crazy. This is 1 7/8, and this is 2 inch.
Yeah, those are 2 inch.
It's gonna be close, but it'll work.
Why is this?
You might have to take that drywall all the way down to the floor to get in there. And it can't be that far out because there's a 2x6 there.
I know, I'm trying to. Can you cut a little higher? Or is there something wrong?
No, I can cut there higher, but you can too. I'm gonna use this sheet. I'm gonna cut all this and shut the phone off a little bit. need some X to go from here to here, blue and red. Here down to there, and then we got to connect all this up. You can actually go a little further, but I mean blue and red. That's not much. Doesn't take much at all. I'm waiting on the packs.
I was trying to tell you
What?
that the joist that one's connected to, what runs long ways, is the one that's rotted.
Yeah. We'll run a drain it through there. That's done. Now I need to stretch the cord out to the garage area, and I need to cut 2x in here. And when you get these, the lines that were coming up here, we connected them underneath there and then brought them up here so that we can hook them up to the faucet that's going to be here. They haven't got that yet. We filled in the 2 holes. We put in the mechanical vent over there, and we marked where the
Drain.
drain will be in this big part. And we marked where the box will be. And now I have to put silicone, 100% silicone according to instructions on this area. So I'll sweep one more time and then I'll do the silicone. And you guys get to watch that.
Watch you sweep?
No, that's evidence that I can do
You
it.
playing house?
Maybe you could blackmail me because I actually do know how to sweep.
You're playing house now?
I can play house. I've done it before. Alright, so
So what are we watching?
honeymooners?
We're watching Honeymooners.
Is that what you were watching?
No. Well, yeah. That's not what I was searching up. Okay, just to confirm that it's 100% silicone. Right there.
Woohoo! It's gonna stick all the better.
Some guys can be in the comment section saying that you messed up. Well, that's what the instructions said, right?
Some guy with 3 videos of him fishing. I have to have something to puncture the.
Use these scissors. Here you go. Here you go.
No, I need a. There should be a 3-inch screw in that box of screws.
3-inch screw. So you got it? What's next, Dad? You're gonna want heated floor in your house?
Me?
Yeah.
lot of people like heated floors.
Yeah, you know how much work that is?
It's not that much, but it is work.
Yeah.
The problem I have with it is if you lose power in the cold weather, all that water that's inside the floor is going to bust. Put it in packs and everything.
No. They do heated. I mean, that's how they do it in Europe. Because they use heated floor through
They use it here too. They actually have heated driveways now.
I saw somebody do it with electricity.
Ooh, that sounds really even.
It was really expensive. That's what I was saying. It was hard because they put like heat strips through the floor. It was weird. Imagine if one of those go out.
Well, you can walk around barefoot and not have to worry about it.
What, about being cold?
No. You don't have to worry about feet getting cold.
That's a good way to wake up.
Have curly hair.
Oh.
At that point, call you curly.
Well, I mean,
Whoops.
I was showing you this. Well, don't cut yourself.
I've done that. I'll be dead when I start making mistakes.
Here, you can take this now. Or that's bigger than this, huh?
Oh, why is that not? Okay, it is.
Now, if you're asked if you're going in any particular order, no.
Didn't say to do that.
He's just doing random things. Try not to repeat the same thing over and over, right? Well, you're about to get smacked in the head one of these times. You think you can fish better than those guys that have their fishing videos?
Do I think I can fish better?
Yeah.
If I'm hungry, I sure can.
Well, you don't.
My dad and my uncle said I was not a good fisherman. I was a good catcher.
Cause you just
I
caught
caught more than they did.
You just caught everything.
I just didn't enjoy it. It's So anyway, we got to do the heavy lifting, you and I.
So I'll take them away. Bye, guys.
It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.